One feature that I love about High Globe that makes me want to use it over and over again is their 3% annual rate or 3% APY. So what is the meaning of this? Your money with the High Globe doesn't just sit there. It is earning, it is growing, and it is accrued daily and paid weekly. For example, you got paid $1,000 and you want to save half of it. So, pwede mo siyang iwan lang kay High Globe. And the good thing is, hindi lang siya basta natutulog or nakastack kay High Globe. Your money is actually earning, like for example, this one. So, I earned $600 and I tried to test kung totoo nga ba yung 3% APY ni High Globe. So, iniwan ko lang siya doon and yeah, legit, nag-email talaga siya kung magkano na yung na-earn nung money ko weekly. So, this is the proof. So, as you can see, talagang nagre-reflect siya weekly kung magkano yung na-earn mo. So, it gives you assurance that your money is not sleeping with High Globe. It is actually earning 3% APY. Instead of putting all of your earnings on your bank account, and we all know that yung interest kay bank is sobrang konti lang, like 0.0.9 lang siya. Why not just leave it to High Globe? And your money is not just sleeping with High Globe, it is actually earning and growing. So create your High Globe account now and monitor how your money grows with High Globe.